How to enable or disable show refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and then tap on developer options. Now, if you do not have developer options, you need to activate it from the about phone. Okay, so in developer options, scroll down. So scroll down and then tap on show refresh rate. So tap on the toggle button to enable or disable show refresh rate. Now you can see here when I turn on, it will show the refresh rate at the top corner. Now it will be at the corner there. We will not be able to move it around. So you can see if I turn it on, it will be at the top corner. I cannot move this around the screen. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.